I want to talk about this sell signal that came here on Us30 using Trusted Signals. I saw the sell opportunity. Trusted Signals came in, had a sell signal that shows up right here, and you could see the candles already starting to move towards the downside. So it's not that it's easy on replay. It's easy with Trusted Signals. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking partial profits on my trade, and after I take these partial profits on the zone that it might reverse, I want to be real transparent, and I put my stop in profit. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm putting my stop in profit. This is why I screen recorded it, so you can see step by step how I trade. You can see that this is a live account, and what I'm doing here is securing my profits. And luckily I did that, because right after that, market turned around.